We all have been there where you want to share a video with your friend or upload it somewhere, but its file is too large. Whether it's a video you have filmed or downloaded any big file, big files can slow things down, eat space, or get blocked on apps like WhatsApp or email. So for that you have to make sure you can compress it, but then the quality drops and everything looks pixelated. But you don't have to worry. I'll show you how to compress a video on your phone without losing quality using a free tool. It's quick, easy, and works on almost every video format. So let's get into it. So first step is to open any browser you have. Then go to search bar and type free converter. Video compressor. From there you have to select top website. From there you have to choose your video. Then you have to go to video, or you can directly go to gallery. I'll select from there, and now you have to tap on compress now. Once it's uploaded, tap on the settings icon next to your file. Under compression method, choose target quality, set it around 80 to 90% for perfect balance, good size reduction with no visible quality drop. So you can also select the video resolution and format like MP4, but you can leave it them as default if you are unsure about it. Then you have to tap compress and let it process. And once it's done, you have to click on download and you'll have a much smaller file that looks just as good as your previous one. And now you can see we have saved 42% of storage by just using that free online tool. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you got any question or topic you want us to cover, drop in the comment sections and we'll make sure it happens. Catch you in the next one.